That was a big blow up. Oh, man, I forgot how fun these bluegill are. They honestly got some aggressive attitudes. Look at this. Just chomped it. There we go. Another bluegill on the fly rod. See you, bud. Just really hoping to fish that dock, but that guy's power washing, and yeah, all the fish are definitely gone. So we're passing that. Yeah, we're passing it. We already passed it, so we have to pass it. No, you gotta be kidding me. Dang it, I hate whenever this happens. The line wraps around itself. Sucks, I gotta cast over my left shoulder because we got a tree just right here blocking my right. Unless I just finesse it and almost get into the dock. Yeah, no thank you. It's not finessing anymore. Man, these bluegill are being tough. Smoking them earlier. Low key, you guys, I'm pretty hungry. I don't know why. I ate like 2 hours ago. I had a full-on T-bone steak, some salad. I'm starving. I don't know why. Sucks. And that's a tree. Get out of there. Yeah, there we go. Honestly, where's the bluegill at? This is pretty weird. Alright, I don't know where the bluegill are. I don't want to walk to the park just because I'm really starving. And I don't know. I just don't feel me catching something whenever the light is shining right on their faces. They don't like that. But yeah, I'm gonna make an audible, honestly. We're gonna go to Fort Smith and we are going to try to fly fish in those canals, I guess you can call them. If I get kicked out, I get kicked out. It's okay. I'm not doing anything bad. Just catch and release. That's all there is. That's all you can do. So, yeah, I'll see you guys whenever we're doing that, which will probably be tomorrow morning. Ish. What's up with this pond, honestly? Last time I fished here was actually, it's been a while. And you could see fish swimming around. You can see carp coming up. And now, it looks horrible. I don't think I would cast a line out there. Maybe a Ned rig. That thing will catch something. But yeah. All right, heading back to the house. Catch you guys on the next. I don't even. Whenever I go fishing again, pretty much. All right, see you guys in a second. What's up, you guys? We got the fly rod at that creek. I'm trying to stay a little low key about this, just because I don't know. Might as well. Never fished it. Probably gonna get snagged a whole bunch of times. Kind of wishing I brought my other shoes. Some of the river shoes I got. Just, oh gosh. Now I can walk right through all this. Not worry. Oh, no way. Give me the line, give me the line. No, give me the line. There we go. They fight so light. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. What in the world? Oh, I have never seen a bluegill like this. I have never seen one like this. What? That is insane. Dang, that's a beautiful fish. Living in this tiny little creek. Fast, just out of the hand right away. That's awesome. I knew there was fish in here, but not like that. I was expecting some nasty looking bluegill. Oh, I had one. There's another one. These guys are not pressured, so it's gonna be easy catching them. Another crazy looking bluegill. That is insane, on the fly. Oh. That's awesome. It's, I think, 4 o'clock right now, and I'm catching these fish. It's honestly really hard to cast here. Well, just caught this fish. Didn't know I wasn't recording. He finned me. And yeah, see ya, bud. A little blood on the hand. That don't hurt no one. Okay. Alright, this is a little bit better. Wow, he actually got me really good. That hurts. Alright, I'm gonna do something. Take my shoes and socks off, walk over to that little gravel area. You can probably see it. Let's do this. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't bring my river shoes that I got. What was I expecting? This is awesome. No. I need that. You suck. What in the world did I do here? It's the stupid dead branches that catch you. Here we go. This is more like it. Oh. He had it. Oh, he's still, that's a bass. Bass. He's got that one. That one got it. There was 2 of them. This one got it. Man, these things are beautiful. Ow. Beautiful looking fish. That is insane. See ya, bud. I'm still trying to catch that bass. I want to know where it went. It wasn't big, but still. Creek bass? That would be awesome. The crazy part is me and Isaac have fished this before. The only difference, we went the other way. And I'm going the opposite that we went last time. And this is so much better. These rocks are no joke. Jesus. bluegill. Little munchkin. What's up with them swallowing it, honestly? Ow. Just swallowed my finger. Don't worry, bud, you're not gonna die. There we go. And he's just freaking out now. He's good. See you, bud.